Hi, how are you? And this is an airport.
Hi, I'm Eloke. And while this is not an airport, we are here to present a way that makes your life easy the next time you find yourself in one. Picture this. If you're like me, you've just landed in Ghana for a 5 day stay and have had to settle for poor exchange rates. Also, you've underestimated how much cash you need for the period of your stay, and you find that every local card payment solution doesn't just work for you. This is why we're building tbDEX Go. We're making it easy for travelers and tourists like me to make local payments while in any African country seamlessly. Our solution combines tbDEX protocol and USSD, which allows the users to access our service importantly without needing an internet connection. We also offer competitive exchange rates through our PFI network and low transaction fees as a result of our business model.
Think of our application as having three main layers. First, the user interface. Users access our application by dialing a hash code in their phones and are presented with USSD prompts they respond to. Secondly, identity management. The part of our application now handles managing users' identities and doing so in a manner that conforms with decentralized identity standards. More to come on this. Thirdly, the core backend service, which sits at the heart of everything. It's written in TypeScript and designed for Cloudflare workers and handles everything from interactions with the tbDEX network to administrative functions like profile management. Users create profiles on tbDEX Go with their phone numbers. We associate these profiles with DIDs they can either import or create in the application, and then use these DIDs and their associated verifiable credentials in interactions with the tbDEX network on behalf of the users. We are handling matching users with the best offerings from PFIs at any given time by implementing a weighted ranking system similar to approaches in deep learning. We assign weight values to metrics like number of completed transactions and then rank PFIs based on the final output score, ensuring that along with getting the best rates, users get matched with the PFI most likely to give them the best experience. You would think that our application being USSD based and as such having to be registered on mobile networks in different countries would be a limiting factor, but it's actually our superpower. Mobile network operators through international roaming agreements allow you to access USSD services in your home country from wherever you are in the world. This allows us to offer our services to travelers landing in different countries who don't have internet but are still able to access ubiquitous roaming networks.
We consider UX and customer satisfaction as non-negotiables, as it should be. This is why we made sure to design our copy to be clear and consistent across our interface within the restrictive 150 character limits of USSD. We also added an FAQ section, and after making a transaction, we offer users a way to leave their feedback, which we then use to improve our weighted ranking system, as earlier mentioned, and our app in general. Our business model combines tier package offerings, transaction bundles, and a pay-as-you-go offering. We're calling our transactions Go credits, which users can buy in bundles. We're convinced that a combination of all these decisions can get us to our monthly revenue goal in the first 3 months of service.
I'm going to walk you through what transferring money with tbDEX code looks like. I'm going to dial the code, the hash code 920*860 hash. This pulls out the tbDEX go up and I can follow the prompts to make payments. I'm going to choose one send money. Where do I want to send money to USDC? What currency do I have? I have Ghanaian cedis. I'm choosing sending Ghanaian cedis to USDC. I choose a matching offering. So Aqua Finance is fine. And they need some details about where I am sending the money to. So the wallet address is just test address. And how much am I sending? 40 Ghana cedis. So they need some details about me to create the VC required by this PFI. My full name is Andrew Knago. My culture of residence is Ghana. I'm almost there. I've requested a code for the conversion of 40 Ghana cedis to USDC. I'll receive further instructions via SMS. You can't say notification because I'm requesting, but I've received an SMS from the application telling me that the PFI should view my request, and I'll receive a notification via SMS once the PFI responds with a code. So I received a code for this transaction, and I will pay 40 Ghana cedis, and the person I'm sending the money to will receive 4 USDC. I can reply with one to accept this code. This looks pretty good, so I'm just going to reply with one to accept this code. So this message is being sent over the network, and I get a response that my request to place the order is being processed. So I've successfully placed the order now, which is essentially saying this order has been placed with the PFI. So now I'm waiting on the PFI to perform the actual movement of money. So my transaction see the status update. The PFI is transferring the funds. PFI says the transaction has been completed. And so at this point, money has been moved and I can rate my experience with the PFI.
Where tbDEX Go, and we're making Africa smaller by offering local payment solutions for travelers and tourists. Thank you for your time.